So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. So many of you have been asking me about the actual AirPods Pro 2nd generation. So here you've got them. First of all, the cancellation noise system, it's outstanding. That's why we think it's one of the best AirPods currently in the segment market. Very small, very thin. The case is really neat. You've got 6 hours of music non-stop. You've got charging via USB-C, also via wireless. You've got the pairing mode, which is super easy to do. You've got the different sizes of the ear tips, which is not actually something that's very common in these actual AirPods. You've got them for $300. And you've got all sorts of control system. You've also got the actual case which sounds. That means that basically if you want to find them using the Find My iPhone, you just click Find My actual AirPods and you can find them. And also remember, they are very small, very easy to use and very comfortable. That's why I think the AirPods Pro is one of the best AirPods in the market. And remember, you can actually call for 5 hours non-stop, and then if you need to charge them for 1 minute, and you will have another hour of music non-stop. If you've got any questions, as always, just leave it down here in the comments below.